In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side tail lamp wiring harness on the Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind your tail lamp. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the wiring harness, we're going to have to remove our tail lamp assembly. To remove the tail lamp assembly, you'll find that you have two Phillips head screws holding it in place. We'll remove the pair. As you remove the hardware, give it a close inspection. If it looks like it has to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Hold onto that tail lamp while you remove that final bolt so it doesn't fall out and potentially get damaged or damage your vehicle. Let's take hold of that assembly and we'll pull it out of place. Now looking along the backside, you can see part of that wiring harness. Let's start from the top and make our way down. As you start removing these, you're going to find that it does have bulbs in place. We'll leave those in temporarily and we'll swap them over once everything's deinstalled. A quick inspection of your tail lamp assembly. If it looks like it has to be replaced, go ahead and replace it. When you replace them as a pair. Safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle. We're looking for the rest of the wiring harness. For the wiring harness, you'll find that it's held in place with several push clips. Your new wiring harness does come with push clips, so we'll continue on to removing the push clip from the body of the vehicle. To do this, you can use a small prying device. I'll be using a trim tool. Pry that right out of there. Follow the wiring harness up and over the frame here. You'll find that it makes its way towards the center of the vehicle. We have another mounting point right here. Once again, make your way in between and gently pry it out of place. At this point, you'll find that the wiring harness makes its way to this junction block. Go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector. Give each end a quick inspection to make sure you don't see any corrosion. To disconnect this electrical connector, you'll find that you do have a locking tab up along the top there. You just want to squeeze down on that, and then you should be able to pull this out and away. We'll give the end a quick inspection, as I mentioned, for corrosion. This side doesn't matter nearly as much as this port right in here. Make sure you give it a close inspection. Let's take hold of that wiring harness. We'll pull that out. Pause under here, make your way back up top. Let's take hold of this harness and lift it up and out of the vehicle. There it is, friend. Let's prepare the brand new wiring harness for installation. We'll do that by swapping over the bulbs one at a time. As you remove them from their mounting port, go ahead and swap them directly over to the brand new wiring harness. When you're swapping them over, give them a close inspection. If it looks like they have to be replaced, now's the time to do it. As you press them in, listen for a click. Make sure they are secured. Otherwise, the bulbs may flicker while you're driving down the road or not work at all. Okay, let's prepare to install our brand new wiring harness. To install the wiring harness, let's start with the far end there. We're going to bring it down through the body of the vehicle. Under the vehicle, we'll be taking that electrical connector and carefully sliding it up and over the frame, being careful not to get any debris inside of that connector port there. With that over the frame there, we'll continue with our connector and press it into position. You want to listen for a click, give it a tug. Make sure that is secured in place. Now we'll continue on with the wiring harness. We'll make sure that we secure that wiring harness up along here. Align it, press it in, make sure it's completely flush and secured. Press that in up along here. Once you're sure everything is secured underneath the vehicle, make your way out from under the vehicle, back up to that rear tail lamp assembly. Start plugging in this wiring harness along the back side of here. To install each one of these bulbs, you want to have them in place, turn them clockwise to lock them in. It's in here. Once you're sure you have each one of those in their proper ports, we'll continue on to aligning the tail lamp with the body of the vehicle. Start in each of your 2 Phillips head screws by hand, and then you can snug them up. Test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.